Good afternoon. Thank you for reaching out to us requesting more information about our office and upper cervical care. My name is Cynthia and I will be happy to assist you. What most people like best about our office is that our patients get quick and many times permanent relief from severe pain and other health issues. We are proud that we give exceptional customer service and that we have become the standard of excellence in chiropractic. We are aware that your time is important, so we make each visit quick and convenient. Let's go. As you can see, Laura's on the phone talking with the patient, providing more information about our practice. Either one of us will be very happy to help you with anything you need here. Come with me. Here is the consultation room. When you come in for your first visit, you will sit down with one of the doctors to go over your needs and discuss how we can help you. Here is the x-ray room, and you can see Dr. Walter behind the wall studying the films right now. Hey, Dr. Walter. So we're different than everybody in two ways. First, we have the best technology to determine the cause of your problems. And after we determine the source of your problems, we can quickly correct it using, in our opinion, the absolute best form of chiropractic that enables us to help even the most severe cases get better. Most doctors are trained to treat the symptom, giving only temporary relief. We treat the cause, fixing your problem permanently. To schedule your consultation, give us a call at 914-686-6200. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.